Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's the Volkswagen T4 tyre pressures and what they should be. Luckily this van is old school, so you haven't got to worry about TPMS warning lights if the tyre pressures get too low. All you need to do is just pump them up to the correct tyre pressures. Now make sure when you do this that the tyres are cold and you haven't been out on a long run, because then that will affect the tyre pressures if the tyres are warm. And the first thing that you need to do is find out the tyre sizes on your van, and this will be written on the sidewall of your tyre. And this is a 205/60 R15. 205 is the width of the tyre in millimetres, so 205 millimetres. This is the height to width aspect ratio. R means radial and 15 is the diameter of the tyre, so that means 15 inches. Now we know what the size of the tyres are. If you go to the driver's door, open up the driver's door, on the inside pillar here you've got the tyre pressure label. Most T4 transporters will have 195/70 or /65 R15s, in which case the front tyre pressures should be 55 psi and the rear 57 psi. If you happen to have 205/65 R15s or 205/60 R15s, then the tyre pressure should be 50 psi on the front and 46 psi on the rear. What you then need to do is go around to all four tyres and just check the pressures. Now maybe you've got a digital readout. I'm just going old school on this foot pump here, and that's showing a very low reading. The tyre pressure gauges on these foot pumps aren't very accurate, so I recommend you also check them with something else, such as a digital tyre pressure gauge or an old school pencil type version like this. Little hand says it's time to rock and roll. Now that all the tyres are pumped up, let's go for a nice little drive. Whilst I'm going for a quick drive, in the top right is the transporter fuse box locations and how to test the fuses. In the top left, the OBD2 port location on this van, and in the bottom left, the transporter dashboard warning lights and symbols and what they mean. Safe driving to you. Yo Johnny, I'll see you in the next life.